Almighty Creator, Divine Healer, Force of all that is good, love, and light.
Force of all that is good, love, and light. Nemo Abasi, Chineke, Moana, Ehunaya, Enigo, Kainku. Be gentle in transforming me
and alchemizing my body and mind to reflect perfect harmony.
Reveal any and all wounds in me,
according to your will, and gently remove them from me. Transform into light all that no longer serves me.
Expand my heart, my health, and my consciousness to experience myself at my highest vibration of radiance. Help me to grow in patience, discipline, and ever-expanding self-love. Teach me the true meaning of forgiveness and bless all of those embarking upon this journey.
Strengthen our sense of community and collectively maximize our strengths and our talents so that we may bring this great healing with us everywhere we go, thereby healing the state of our beautiful planet. Thank you for restoring my liver and my entire being to my natural state of perfect wholeness.
Show me the way and make your power known to me today. Thank you, Divine Wisdom.
Thank you, Divine Wisdom.
And so it is.